Hey everybody, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care here in Naples, Florida. Right behind me is Naples. We're right off Tamiami Trail East. And so excited for us to open this location to be more ingrained in the community here in Naples. And so with that, I wanted to go over some of our main service offering that we love, we're excited about, and we are very, very passionate about. Some of the services, and you're gonna see many more YouTube videos coming out on our channel about our Naples location, but some of the services that we do the most of are landscape renovations, meaning tearing out your existing landscape, replanting everything, replanting everything, creating new lines with some type of edging, whether that be curbing or steel or whatever that needs to be. Then doing new plant installation, palm installation. Typically, jobs like this are also going to need us to come in and redo sod, redo irrigation. So we want to make sure we can take care of that whole outside renovation for you. And then it's not just enough to be able to make these things look awesome during the day. More of the services that we tie into this is our LED landscape lighting. So we can renovate a whole lawn and a whole property, make it look amazing during the day. And then with LED lighting, then we can also accent that property, accent that landscape, accent the home at night to give it more depth, more definition, more safety, more beauty. And these are all things we really love to do. So that package of what we offer in our installations and what we can do for you, that includes softscape bed installation, which covers all of your plantings, all of your design of that aspect, all of your LED lighting to accent that, all of the sod and irrigation parts to make sure the lawn is maintained and the lawn is green, and maintains the plants and their irrigation as well. And so with all that and the lighting portions of that and all those pieces together, that means we can manage a whole property and a whole renovation along with the paver aspect of it too, to bring your property from where it is now to where you truly want it to be. So we are so excited to work with you here in Naples, Florida. We would love for you to reach out, submit a quote through our website, and meet with one of our trusted team members.